Your 4 options for full mouth rehabilitations are: number 1, you could get a denture. The pro of it is you got teeth. The con of it is you have teeth. The problem with dentures is they flop around. They don't stay in your mouth. They're pieces of plastic. They're very large and bulky, and it's very difficult to eat with them. Yes, aesthetically, you may feel I have teeth, but that's about as good as it gets. Second option is you could go with locators. That's where we put a couple implants in and then your denture snaps in. So the advantage of that is you have more security. The denture does come on and off in this procedure. However, it is a little more secure. So that improves some of your function. The next level is what we call Teeth Express. That's where you place several implants and then you have a bridge. And a bridge is much smaller. It's screwed into the mouth and it's fixed. So it's something that you do not take on and off. So with that comes significantly more function. At this point, now you're going to get the experience of having real teeth. You're going to be able to eat all the foods that you like and have the confidence to smile without your teeth flying out of your mouth. And then, of course, there's the Mercedes of teeth, where you could put in 28 dental implants, and that is literally like having real teeth. That is where each tooth is individual, just like the natural dentition, and you're going to have full function, aesthetics, and basically you just replace everything that you may have lost over the years of time. In my opinion, the best of both worlds is Teeth Express, where you have a fixed bridge, it's fully customized, you get full function without having the large cost of putting in 28 dental implants and also the time that's involved to do that. Teeth Express is a wonderful way to get your teeth, have that smile you want, and be right back up on your feet in a day. I invite you to reach out to our team at Schaumburg Dental Studio. We offer free in-office consultations, or we can do a virtual online consult if that is something you prefer. My name is Dr. Jig Patel, and I look forward to seeing you really soon.